Saya tunjukin ruangannya ya.
Ya.
Dimulai dari depan. Ini, this is the hallway. Saya lantai 6. Okay. Let's go to the room. First, this is for shoes. Ada fridge. Ini isinya #no sponsor. Siapa yang mau sponsor boleh. Lemari. Satu part ini ada safety box. Buat mandi ya, terus sandal. And ini buat setrikaan. Ini EMíLIE Ball Mermaid.
No, the doll mermaid.
It is doll mermaid.
The doll mermaid.
Kamarnya cukup lah. This is enough for 3 of us. They were asking if we need some
Creep.
baby crib. But EMíLIE obviously not baby anymore. The reception. Who is her name?
Oh, I didn't.
I will show her in my video. She's very nice. Credit to the lady in the reception. She's very helpful. Very nice. Chair, curtain, udah aku buka ya. Ada apa lagi nih? Namanya Grandior Hotel Prague. This is room service menu. Ada lace, harganya 40 crown, itu sekitar 20.000. Botol sekitar 40.000 kalau rupiah. This is my favorite snack, sama sekitar 20.000 rupiah. Carrot. And then seperti biasa ada gelas buat teh sama kopi, sama kopi. Milk cream buat tea, sugar, salt and pepper, and tea. And this is our view from 6th floor, which is wall. Very nice. Emi, are you happy?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Where are you now?
I'm out. Do you want mermaid?
Yes. There's your other mermaid here, sleeping already in the bed. And this is me. This is me. I will show you. I got new hair. Saya punya rambut baru, guys. Anyway, continue to the ruangannya. Ini kamar mandi. Cantik ya, ini tilenya. Ini tau nggak, sekalian cari inspirasi nanti buat rumah kita. Ini hair dryer. My glasses. Dear guests, please enjoy this welcome gift. Haha, where is the gift? Begitu guys. For Grandior Hotel,
Me too.
we love it. Say, for Grandior Hotel, we love it.
We love it.
This is not sponsor. This is like a review. But if you want to sponsor us, we are welcome. Bye.